yeah, that was the best that I've ever done that. At least that's what it felt like.
Cool.
Soundtrack.
I mean, who knows? As always, that happens when I come here. I feel like I'm jumping on stage, and it all goes to heck. So we'll see how that happens.
Yeah.
But yeah, like
because of course you're not jumping on stage. You know,
No.
You are now doing the task in front of someone, and so on that level, it is a performance. If we were to take the term performance in its literal sense, but equally, it's not.
But and it's also interesting because when I'm, chilled out and I'm just relaxing and singing, I'm realizing, wow, I'm actually getting the mix up really high, Yeah. It's like, okay, that's interesting.
So what is it about that then? And I think I've got some ideas, but what is it about the fact that when you're relaxed and chilled out, that you're able to employ a mix value up here?
I think I'm just enjoying it. Like, yeah, I'm not caring too much. Like, I'm getting into it and I'm just purely enjoying it, and I get to mess around with it and not judge myself for messing up.
And I would think that's a part of it.
Yeah.
But equally, when I think about it from a muscular point of view, a mechanical point of view, it's the fact that you're not creating overt muscular engagement, tension, which is then facilitating a more mixed value, as opposed to getting up there and feeling stressed and strained in that moment.
Like just this morning, I was messing around with it, and I was like, yeah, and I was like, it's right up there. I'm glad I was like, no, do it now, because then he can see that I have been working on it.
Okay, well let's dive in. Let's do and let's look for that sense of mix as we head into those upper registers.
Yeah,
approaching it with the mentality of being a little bit chilled out with it, not feeling like you've got to
perform, just play.
Just play.
Yeah, I've just got to remember play, and it's okay if I.
Yeah, it is okay, especially in a space like this. It's completely fine for you to. Yeah, because that's kind of why we're here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better. Yeah. Good point. All right, let's go.
Good, one more. Keep it light. And again. Yes.
that was the best that I've ever done that. At least that's what it felt like.
Cool. Okay.
What did you see? What did you hear?
I was just focused on what you were doing physically, and what I was pleased to see was that you didn't, overdrive the body to achieve the end.